What's up fam, your boy Big A here. I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to showcase the awesome car that came with this diorama set. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. As you already figured it out, it's Street Fighter Chin-Lu. She's an iconic character from the Street Fighter video game. And behind her, you got pixelated characters. Alright, so let's take a closer look at what we got, guys. On the corner here, we have the man of the house, the wife, and the little girl, and there's some green bottles. I don't know if he's drinking or what have you. And over here you have some pigs, and you have a chicken that's about to be beheaded by the guy in purple, and you have what appears to be his helper. And in the cage you can see a chicken trying to get the hell out of there. You know, it's fleeing for its life. And over here have this one guy over there. I don't know what he's doing. It looks like he's just chilling. Over here we see what appears to be a little girl washing something. That appears to be a barbershop. And at the end is a continuation of this part right here. Alright guys, so let's move on to the main prize. Boom! I had to pick this up, guys. I haven't been finding anything out in the wild, so I had to pick this up and share it with you guys. It comes in a beautiful candy apple blue. It's got the Street Fighter livery. It's got some sponsor logos. Let me close the door here so that you could see them. It's got the Endless, Capcom, Toyo Tires, and X-City, Mazda of course. And on the back, you can see the NOS tank, the speakers. It's got a roll cage. It's got the bucket seats in a light tan. Let me open the door so that you guys could see this better. There you go, guys. Check out the steering wheel, and you can see the shifter, the e-brake, and it appears to have a nice navigation system or something. I don't know if the camera focuses, but right in front of the shifter and the e-brake, it's got a screen in a chrome color. So pretty cool. The trunk does open, the doors do open and close. And now let's move on to the front. So as you can see, the hood also opens. And take a look at that detail, guys. You can see the headlight detail. This car is awesome, man. It's got the matching Street Fighter tempo on the hood, HKS sponsor logo, and Mazda of course. Let's turn this around. Take a look at this, guys. So yeah, just matching details. There we go. It's got light gray wheels, very nice. And let's see. Ooh, take a look at this, guys. I don't know if it's broken or, yeah, this is a little loose. So this is why you have to be careful with these. I don't know if it's by design, but anyways, I don't want to mess with it. All right, guys, take a look at this. You can see the anti-roll cage, the NOS tank, the speakers, and you can see the exhaust pipes. It's got the HKS sponsor logo. On the plate, it says Anime Hollywood Rides. Alright guys, so there it is. I usually don't collect the scale, but I had to pick this up and show it to you guys. Hopefully I can compile some more footage for you guys. In the meantime, you guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.